This woman, I don't know when she's sleeping.
What are you doing sneaking in here this late at night? Where have you been?
Mom, I thought you were sleeping by now.
I would have been if you weren't coming in here waking me up at the
I'm sorry, mommy. Let me tell you something.
Where have you been?
Yeah, at Walmart. I went to Walmart.
Walmart. You could have been raped or killed at Walmart in the middle of the night. What in the heck were you thinking?
No, Mom. If you see what happens today, if you see what happens today, oh my goodness! I've been telling you that 2021 I must get married, and nobody can stop it, including you. You can't stop me because all your mocking is enough, and God have answered my prayers. As I went to the Walmart, oh my goodness! I just had someone call me Manuela. He told me like this. I said, "Is that my name I'm hearing?" So he called me Manuela. I turned my back. I saw this young man, very tall. Oh my goodness. Oh, very matured. I said, "Do you know me?" He said, "Yes." "Where do you know me?" I said, "In Facebook." I said, "Wow, Facebook, Manuela." Wow. He started telling me, "I look good." Mommy, just look at me. Am I good? Did I look good? Did I look beautiful?
Whatever.
Oh, he said, "You look good." Manuela, I've been waiting. I've been looking for you. I've been waiting for this time to see you. I'm lucky to meet. I see Manuela. Manuela in Kemonkwa. Oh, I started being happy. He said, "Okay, I want to have a date with you." I said, "Okay, no problem. Whenever you have time, you just call me. I'm around." He said, Okay, he'll call me. Immediately, right there, he proposed to me. Oh,
Lord, a husband from Walmart. Oh, we can buy anything at Walmart, can't we?
Whatever you want to say, say it. I'm leaving you, Mom. He said next week he's coming to see you.
Lord help us, Lord help us.
So whatever you're going to do it. I don't care. I'm leaving you soon. I'm getting married. Oh my goodness. Take your time, please. Oh, I want you to pick my call. Can you pick it? Hello? Keller? Yeah, it's me, Manuela. Yeah. You did save my number on your phone? Okay. Yeah, I got home safely. Yeah, she's fine. My mom, she's fine. Yeah. I told her about you. She was so surprised. Yeah, it was really a debate in my family that 2021 I must get married. So when you proposed to me, it was not new. I know that God has answered my prayers, and I know this is how God wanted it to be. Thank you. You are blushing me. Thank you. Yeah, how is your parents? How is your mom? Okay. Can we see tomorrow? Okay, thank you so much. We'll still see in Walmart? Okay, thank you so much, okay? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, stop saying that. Stop, please. Oh, stop saying that. You're thinking of me. Stop, okay? Alright. Yeah, well, I will pray. I will put you in prayers, okay? I will put you in my prayers. Yeah, I must pray. Sure. I will pray. I will put you in prayers, okay? Alright, how to sleep now. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. I love you too. I love you so much, okay? I love you too. Bye. Okay, bye. Oh, Papa. Can't keep this term today. Any man or woman that will rise against this man that is sent to me today. Oh, I brought you for Bukoya. Don't let them break a babuquaya. The more whoever that will stand against this man. Yeah. Thunder will fire the person. Any power that rises against my new husband. Whoever, look at where this young man called me, Papa. Look at the way he called me. He called me Manuela. I was so shocked. I said, Manuela, hey, you answered my prayer this 221. And all my prayer has been answered. I have found my own ribs. Oh, look at the mockery of my mom. She has been mocking me. When am I getting married? But today, shame to her. Shame to her. Amalia Kunkumnisia. Iwe de Bugia. Shame. Iwe Hogan Baby Papa. Guide this husband for me. Get him in everything he's doing. Whatever he's doing. Any man rises against him, I say scatter, 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 destroy, destroy. I thank you, Papa. I thank you, Papa, for all you have done for me today. Walmart, I can't forget you. Walmart, I can't stop going to Walmart. Walmart is my day. Papa, thank you for today, for making it possible to see this young man. Hey, look at how handsome he is, Papa. I never knew that you create such a handsome man in this world. I've been thinking, I've been wondering, that today you answered it. Thank you, Papa, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Glory be to you. Oh, you are the one. Thank you for everything you have done for me. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Amen.